Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to get the input from the user, how to get the text, how to get the numbers from the user. So first of all, to get the input from the user we have to use the scanner class. So what is the scanner class? The scanner scans the input which is coming from the keyboard, or in other words from the system. So first of all, write the scanner. Here I'm gonna write scanner and then its variable. You can type any name of the variable. I'm gonna type Fahad and then new and then scanner and then curly braces and then semicolon. And here is an error, so click on this error. So what's this error? So here it says that to import the scanner library. Scanner is a class, so we need to import its library. Click on this and it automatically import its library. And if you want to import all the libraries which you need, which is necessary in the program, so press the Control Shift and O, so it automatically import all the necessary libraries. In between these parentheses we have to write system.in. So what is the system.in? The system.in stands for system input, and the system input is basically the input from the keyboard. So this statement, this complete statement, scan the input which is coming from the system, from the keyboard. And then we have to use the Fahad variable and then write the dot. And after writing the dot we have to select the type of the input. And here first of all I'm gonna select next line. So what is the next line? The next line take the input from the user and it take any kind of text from the user. Basically it takes the string. So now we have to save the string, so write the equal and then write string, and here I'm gonna write txt is the variable in which this input is saved, and then I'm gonna show the input here sys out, press Control space and here txt. So the input that the user give is saved in the txt string and then txt string is print on the screen. Let's run it, and here I'm gonna write this random text and then press enter, and here you see that this string is shown on the screen. And now here I'm gonna write a text to work as the prompt when we run the program, so the text is appear on the screen. To enter the text, here I'm gonna write sys out, Control space and here enter text. So now let's run it again, and here you see that this is printed on the screen. And now we have to type the text. Here I'm gonna type my name is Fahad. So here you see that it is printed on the screen. So this is the way we can take the string from the user, but you can also take the double, integers and the long numbers, float numbers. So you can also take the integers and the numbers from the user. So if you want to take the integers from the user, so here write the next int and save into the int. Here I'm gonna write int, here is the text, and now let's run it. And here you see that enter the text is the previous, and now I'm gonna enter 9. So here you see that it is printed on the screen. And if you want to input the double, so write the double here. If you want to input the float, so write the float. And you can see all the functions when you write the dot. So here write the next. So here is all the functions: next int, next byte, next short, next line, and here is all the functions: next float, next long. You can select any function that you want.